Welcome back, everybody. Right now, it's time for the Executive Edge and a look at what's moving right now, starting with the stock market futures. Let's take a look at that first. You're going to see that the Dow Futures are indicated up by about 60 points. Part of that is because of the strength we're seeing in the financials. JP Morgan and Citigroup, Goldman Sachs have been stronger. All the financials across the board have been. We'll talk more about that and interest rates in just a moment. S&P futures down by about 13, and then the NASDAQ down by about 265 points. Big declines there. That's a decline of more than 2%. But you are talking about an index that was up by over 43% last year. So some big gains coming into this, some questions about what's going to happen next when it comes to tax law, whether there will be an increase in capital gains as well. If that's the case, it would probably be retroactive to January 1st. But questions about regulation, and if you have a united government, if you do see more regulation coming for technology, you can look at that a bunch of different ways. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. But we do want to check out commodities this morning as well. Crude oil actually hitting $50 a barrel for the first time since February of 2020, as the Saudis come out and surprisingly say that they are going to cut production. They'll take that cut in production themselves, kind of taking over OPEC again. You can see WTI up this morning by another 0.5%, trading at $50.21. We'll talk more about the big oil stocks coming up at the bottom of the hour. But you should also check out what's been happening with some of the other commodities, too. Gold's actually trading near its highest level since November 9th. Take a look this morning. You're going to see that it's given back about 20 cents, but trading at $1,954.20 an ounce. And then wheat prices actually hitting their highest level since December of 2014. Also, you see wheat prices here. You're also going to check out soybeans. They're at their highest level since June of 2014. Soybean prices rose 37% in 2020. That's the best yearly performance since 2007. And we mentioned those financials being higher this morning, probably in large part because of this. Take a look again at the Treasury market. We've been waiting for Godot, waiting for the 10-year to push back above 1%. That hasn't happened since March. But if you check out the 10-year this morning, you'll see that right now it's yielding 1.024%.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.